When homeowners in Sugar Land think about improving comfort, curb appeal, and security, replacement doors often rise to the top of the upgrade list. The right door doesn't just fill an entryway, it transforms a home's style, functionality, and long-term value. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or planning to stay for years, choosing high-quality replacement doors in Sugar Land offers a range of benefits that make the investment worthwhile. Enhanced energy efficiency for every season. Sugar Land's hot summers and unpredictable weather make energy efficiency a top priority for local homeowners. Older doors often develop gaps, cracks, and weak seals, causing your air conditioning or heating system to work overtime. Modern replacement doors are engineered with insulated cores, weather stripping, and advanced materials that help maintain indoor temperatures. This means less energy waste, lower monthly utility bills, and a more comfortable home year-round. With the right door, you'll enjoy a noticeable improvement in how your home feels, especially during extreme heat. Improved curb appeal and modern style. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. Replacing an outdated or worn door instantly elevates your home's exterior look. Today's replacement doors are available in a variety of materials, colors, and finishes, making it easy to choose a style that complements your home's architecture. Whether you love the timeless charm of wood, the sleek appearance of fiberglass, or the durability of steel, upgrading your door enhances the beauty of your home and creates a more inviting entryway. A stylish new door can dramatically change how your whole property is perceived. Increased safety and home security. Home security is always a priority, and replacement doors provide a powerful boost in protection. Modern doors are built with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials that make it far more difficult for intruders to break in. In many Sugar Land neighborhoods, homeowners appreciate the peace of mind that comes with stronger, sturdier entryways. Whether you choose steel, fiberglass, or another premium material, a new door helps you safeguard your family and belongings while also improving exterior durability. Better noise reduction for a more peaceful home. If you live near busy roads, schools, or active neighborhoods, outside noise can become a frustration. Replacement doors are designed with dense cores and tight seals that significantly reduce sound transfer. This added noise barrier creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, especially important for families, remote workers, or anyone who values rest and relaxation. By insulating your home from unwanted noise, your new door contributes to a calmer overall atmosphere. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Older wooden doors often require sanding, repainting, or repairs. By contrast, today's replacement doors are created from materials that resist warping, cracking, fading, and moisture damage. Fiberglass and steel doors, for example, require minimal maintenance and keep their appearance for years with very little upkeep. This durability is especially helpful in Sugar Land's humid climate, where traditional wood doors may deteriorate faster. A quality door means you'll spend less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying your upgraded home. Higher resale value and strong ROI. Upgrading your door is not just a cosmetic improvement, it's also a smart financial investment. Replacement doors are one of the highest ROI home upgrades, often providing a strong return when it's time to sell. A new, attractive, and energy-efficient door is a major selling point for buyers and can help differentiate your property in a competitive Sugar Land real estate market. Even if you're not planning to move soon, the long-term savings on energy and maintenance make replacement doors a financially responsible choice.